Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open perspective grid in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, go to View tab, Show, Use Grid Lines. Then create a new layer. First, copy anywhere, any copy image or any object. Then create a new layer, Filter tab, Vanishing Point, create Vanishing Point, click anywhere, then adjust grid line point. Okay, move anywhere, use multiple grid line. Okay, then paste anything. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.